So what's up my people, it's your boy speaking here once again with another update. So in today's video we are going to talk about Ciao Bank. uh Ciao Bank. So ciaobank.com, let's talk about it. Ciao Bank is proudly part of the outstanding global future corporation. Ciao Bank was opened in 2022 to raise capital and expand the ecosystem of the flourishing global future enterprises group corporation. Ciao Bank concept is to develop new technology and implement innovative ideas. It's focused on the development of and implementation of financial software, database, protection, and everything that follows it. So, who are they? Global Future began operating globally in 2006. Its activity includes banking, insurance, investment, advertising, training, energy and culture. So Ciao Bank is one of them. Ciao Bank is driving force behind the corporation, and you can also read all these things. And let's go over to their bank and the employees. As you can see, they have over 1,000 bank employees, and if you go over to their bondholders, you see that they have over 27,000 plus bank bondholders. If you check their issued credits, you see that they have already issued 78,500 credits, and debit card holders is around 120,250 plus. So that is one of the big thing about it. And if you scroll down more, you see who is the founder, who is the CEO of Ciao Bank. His name is Ciao, and you can also click on this place now to know more about him. So since Ciao Bank is a banking system, this is how bank works. Banking, purchase bond, press deposit, transfer funds to customer, withdraw fund and without any restriction, lending for people that want to lending, apply for loan and everything. Insurance, they also have insurance in their business, and this is the bond. So we are going to go for the bonds because bond is actually what we are trying to do on this video. And as you can see, this is a certificate given to Ciao Bank for their legal, for being legal. As you can see, this is what I don't worry, I will give you a link to this telegram for you to see this whole thing in the description of this video. So check out this place. They says legal name is Ciao Bank, registration authority identity, you can see the code, legal address is HK, entity status, and it is active right now as I'm making this video. Address, you can see the address over here, and you can also see the registration detail and everything in between. You can also see another informations about them here also in this particular place. And again, this is certificate of mandatory deposit insurance. Certificate number, you can see the certificate number and organization and everything that follows the certification, and you will see that it's also Ciao Bank also signed under it. So you can also check out all these things. This is their CEO, just like I told you, and this is Geo Insurance and every other. You can see all these certificates is showing that they are live with the business right away. And look at the certificate of incorporation right here, and this was the woman that signed it. So this is the telegraph content. It is in the description of this video. You can watch, you can go over to the telegram content to check more, telegraph content to check more of it. So for registration, all you have to do is to follow the link in the description, sign up with your full name, your real name, because you're gonna do KYC on this place. So no faking. Your real name, enter your real email, enter your phone number, and enter 6 to 32 characters of password, which you can easily remember. Then click on agree the test to their test privacy policy and privacy agreements. Then click on open digital banking. So once you are done, log into your account. Your account is gonna look like this, but it's not gonna be showing anything on your card here. So if you click on this particular three dotted line on top, you will see that your account will not be verified. So what you have to do is to click on that place to verify your account using your national ID card and every other thing that they require from you. Your national ID card, your real name, your address, and everything, just like opening a bank account. This is a bank account. So once you are done with it, within some minutes your account is going to be verified ASAP. So once your accounts have been showing verified, next thing you have to do is to go ahead and make money with it. So how do you make money with it? This is very simple. Let's go over to their investments over here to see what they have for us. So this is how their investment looks, and everything that follows with it. This is how their investment looks. And let's click on this where it says start investing. So if you click on start investing, it will take you to where you can easily buy bonds. So this is how their bonds work. Their bonds yield you, this particular first bond yield you to 0.2% every single day, and the name is series ADCF number 4564. Series ADCF, to explain more about it, are financial instruments issued to raise funds for the operating of Ciao Bank, Global Future, the Enterprise Group, and its subsidiaries. These bonds are designed to provide investors with a fixed income stream over 3 years. While the second one is Financial Partner Limited. This particular one, is, to summarize it all, is gonna give you investors this for 3 years also. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do with this particular one that's going to be giving you your 0.2 percentage for 3 good years. So, and the particular one is going to be giving you 0.05% every day for 3 years, but the minimum of it is around 100 bonds. So we are not gonna do it. Let's go over to this particular place, this particular first one that is gonna be needing 10 bond, minimum of 10 bond to start with it. So let's, if you, how do you do it? Their bonds calculates 10 bond is equal, one bond is equal to $10. So let's, if you want to do it, you know, all you need to do is to click on this where it says shows balance, and then select the cryptocurrency of your choice that you will need to use to deposit on it. Don't run out first. I want to show you guys something that is amazing on it. So let's use USDT because it's showing us the real amount of what we are going to deposit. So if you select tether TLC20, one bond is equal to 10.168 USDT, which will be giving you 2% of it, 0.2% of it every day for completely 3 years. And after it, your capital is gonna come back to you. And let's assume you have activated this particular one. You can pay with any cryptocurrency of your choice. Remember, so total income is gonna be is gonna be 1,728 HKB. The expiry date is gonna be 22nd of 2026. That is in 3 years coming. Yeah. So an amount you will pay for it is 101.68 USDT. Wait. So what they mean that what we are earning if you activate this particular minimum amount is going to be giving you daily whatever is going to be giving you is daily 1.6 HKD, and weekly is 11.2 HKD, and monthly is 48 HKD. Then annual is 576 HKD. So that is all you need to know about it. And then in case you want to do it, next thing you have to do is to click on this place that says buy bond and go over to the, then it's gonna give you, let's click on buy bond to see how it's gonna show us. So once you click on buy bond, it will automatically brings out something like this, and it will take you back to your account like this. So what you have to do is gonna show you to refill balance. So enter the amount that you want to buy. Since it's 10 HKD, make it 1000 HKD because that is the 10 bond that we are going to use. So 1000 HKD is equivalent to 100. So no, sorry, it's not 1000, it's going to be 800 HKD. So 800 HKD is going to be the actual bond that you are purchasing. So the next thing is to click on this place says next step, and then there is gonna give you follow the instruction there to activate it, to buy it and activate it. So as you can see on my own account, I opened a deposit of 1000 KBD on this particular date, being 28th April. I've been showing all this one, and I decided to make a video about it. And profits accrual for bond 2 is 35 HKD. So that is it. So the next thing is, in case you want to withdraw, you have to do is to click on this place that says withdrawal, but that is gonna be in another video because I don't have up to 50 HKD. 50 HKD is the minimum withdrawal. So I just want to show you guys how this particular thing work and how you can start making money with it. See you guys on my next video on Ciao Bank. As for now, bye.